Hi friends, welcome and welcome back. On today's menu, I share with you a very simple way for you to prepare your spinach soup or your spinach sauce. It depends on what you want to call it because this soup is so versatile. It can be paired with your rice, you can as well enjoy it with your swallow. And this doesn't take so much time for you to prepare. It's one of those meals or one of those things that you prepare on the day you don't have time to make anything. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. In a pot, I'll add some palm oil and I'll heat up until it's warm. Once the oil have heat up, I'll go ahead to add some chopped onions and I'll go ahead to saute these onions for about a minute or two or until it's golden brown. So about 2 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add some crayfish. So once I've added some crayfish, I'll go ahead to saute this for another minute or two. Next, I'll add some blended mixed peppers. I'll fry this for 3 to 5 minutes. And now I'll go ahead to season my soup. I'll season with some seasoning cubes and I will also add some crayfish. Add salt if you want to add more salt. And I'll go ahead to add my proteins as well at this point. I'll mix everything together. So once my soup base is ready, I'll add my vegetables. Here I'm adding some frozen spinach. So once I've added the spinach, I'll stir and I'll add some meat broth. You can add water as well if you prefer. So once I've added the meat broth, I will mix everything together. Then I'll go ahead to add my fresh spinach. If you're making use of any other vegetables, you can add it at this point. But so once I've added the vegetables, I'll stir and I'll also add some more liquids because my soup is thick. If yours is not thick, you can skip it. And once I've added all my vegetables, I'll allow this to simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on the quantity of soup you're cooking. at this point, our soup is ready and ready to be enjoyed. So go ahead to enjoy with any swallow of your choice, or like I said before, this soup is so versatile. It can be enjoyed with anything, with your rice, with your pasta. You can as well enjoy it with your yam as well. Thank you once again for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you for watching. I appreciate your stay here. If you are new here, welcome and welcome and welcome again. Thank you. Do know how to subscribe to the channel, be part of the family, and turn your bell notification on to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.